Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a new feature by High Level called as Write Expandable Sidebar in Conversations. Now, have you been into a situation where you are a sales representative, virtual assistant, an admin, or appointment setter? You're trying to have conversations with your leads or prospect, but you kind of get into a situation where you have to juggle between the conversations tab, between contacts, between appointments that have been booked, right? And that becomes really hassle. But Go High Level brought this new feature wherein you can have everything just right here in the right panel sidebar. Now I'm going to take you through so that you can have a better understanding as to how this makes your life a hell lot easier, right? So as you can see, we are in the conversations tab and I can see all my conversations with this particular lead, right? But however, if you have to go and understand regarding the contacts, earlier we used to go to the contacts tab. If you had to understand regarding any kind of opportunities, have to go to the opportunities tab. The same goes for appointments being booked. But in this scenario, Go High Level has introduced this feature where you have everything literally on the right side panel, right? So as you can see here on the first things first, right, you have contacts. So when you click on the contacts tab, you can see that you literally have the name, you can literally edit the name, you can check the phone number, their email, you can make changes here, you can see who's the owner assigned here. You can also add a DND call, voicemail, TND text message, literally everything. You can see, you can add them to an automation, you can see the previous ones, everything that you're supposed to do in the contacts tab, which was a hassle because you used to go to that tab separately, leaving the conversations tab, or in worst case scenarios, you also had multiple tabs open in order to juggle between them. Now that hassle is gone. The second thing that you will see here is appointments. You could literally see all the appointments that have been scheduled, that was scheduled in the past, and join any of these meetings right from here. You do not have to go to the calendars and check all your appointments. Everything is available while you're having a conversation with your contact, which is pretty amazing. If you have to see any kind of opportunities that were already present with this particular contact, you could also see here. Or the best part, you can also click here and create an opportunity just for this particular lead while having this conversation. Not just that, GoHighlevel also has added tasks as well as node. So just in case you want to remind yourself regarding tasks, you can add them here. Any kind of important point that you think is crucial for this particular contact can be added here. This just makes the life a lot easier. So make sure that you watch this particular tutorial again in case you have any doubt and go and implement it. I hope that helps.